So, okay. I'll put it inside. That's great.
Yes. Hopefully no damage. Yeah.
That's really cute. Just sit in it. Wait, here, breaks apart.
Oh.
It's cute. We'll figure out the rest.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like firm. Yeah. Podcast chairs. Oh, okay. We're experts at it now.
Yeah.
Show number 2. Last piece.
What?
What is that song again?
There's like people like, it's like point point.
Yeah. Oh man. Moving on to the next room that needs to be tackled. This guest room. It's okay. Just trying to get mostly all this stuff out of the bags. Decide where they need to all go. And yeah, office desk need to be cleared out of it. So I am currently making some dinner for myself and my husband. We're actually having burgers tonight, but I still want to make some food that I want to pack up, like do a meal prep for us. But yeah, I need to go to Target to grab a few things. I need to go to Target to grab a few things for the house. I need to grab eggs, and I also need to grab like an extra memory card. And I kind of want to look at Target's home section for some decor, which I have no business looking at, but obviously I've been setting up the house and I've been enjoying doing that. You guys can see MLK on my shirt. Today's Martin, well, no. Today is let's do this again. Today is Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Woo! That was a mouthful. So happy MLK Day to everybody that celebrates. I was off work today, but we did go to a MLK march this morning. I didn't vlog that, but maybe I might insert some pictures if I do have that. It was such a powerful celebratory season. I absolutely enjoy kicking off the year, celebrating MLK Day and then going into Black History Month. I'm excited to actually film content around Black History Month, either what I'm personally doing, highlighting Black businesses, and also just some of the events and activities I'll be doing. But on that to the side, I'm currently I currently have needle and thread, just some necessities to have in the house. And this is kind of a funny, like a housewife type of chore I'm about to do. My husband and I went to Levi's to buy some jeans, and the belt loop came off. And so, being the wife that I am, I know how to fix these things. And first thing he said was, he's right there, listening in. First thing, he calls me and just says, look, just about to panic because he just bought the pants. And if you know Levi's, those jeans are not cheap. And so he was upset that the loop came out right after buying it. But I was like, hey, we can fix it, which I can fix it. So all that to say, I'm doing some housewife chores and fixing his pants belt. Not saying this is the first time I've done this, but if you're married, trying to save up money and problems from your husband going and fighting with Levi employees, know how to fix his pants belt loop. What? This is crazy. Yes, needle broke. This is nuts. It's okay, I already got it. Let's toss this away. This is why I don't like tiny needles. There isn't another one. That's why I can't find that thick one I did. I don't want to use another tiny needle. It's okay. There isn't one. I put it somewhere. I have the needles. I have the C curve needles, but it's okay. I got what I need. All right, time to go to Tarjay. Hey guys, so I made a purchase today. I bought 2 rugs, 1, 2, and one is a 8x10 boho Moroccan. They're all very similar. This is has a bit more brown in it, and this one like orangey brown, like a warm tone brown. And I got this one, which is also a This is a 10 by 12. And this 10 by 12 was like, I went over to pick up this rug and then I realized that the person had an even larger rug, which I feel like the larger rug, I want to use it in the living room to kind of put it through the living room and the dining area. And then this rug, the 8 by 10, I'll probably use it in our master bedroom. Really excited to see how it looks in my living room, but I would like to go ahead and clean my floors first. Like I want to sweep the floors, mop the floors, have Matthew help me out, and yeah. And I think I'm gonna put in, I don't know if I want to put in the bedroom rug yet, but I think I should. But I'll definitely do the living room for sure. I'm thinking. Yeah, but let me go ahead and finish up food. We need to eat and make the other meal that I was considering doing. And then from there, we can kind of go from there. All right. I'll see you guys probably when I'm setting up. Oh, I also got SanDisk memory card because I only have one memory card. And so I decided to get another 128 gigabytes. They didn't have a 256, but this is fine. It'll do. It's a SanDisk. It works. And the adapter. And then I got candle from Target. Smells good. I got the Threshold, which is a Target brand, I believe. Coconut and honey. It smelled really good. It's definitely gave my vibe. And I definitely love the wood tone, wood brown tone covering, just because I have a mid-century modern warm tone vibe going on. I'm gonna change into a more comfortable outfit, and yeah, let's do that. And they are very comfortable, really soft, but I feel like I was gonna say I could have gotten away with the extra small, but I thought I could have gotten away with an extra small bed. The small's fine, to be honest. Yeah, the small's okay. It's really cool. I like the fit. It came in like 3 different colors. It came in the black. I got the chocolate, like a cocoa brown, like deep chocolate brown, and I think there's a blue in there, like a navy blue. Sure, but yeah, really like it. All right, let's go and finish. Let's eat.
You know there have been something in common. Father, you were really relieved to know that Ray was injured.
Oh, thank God. Please, Dad.
You care to tell us what that was about?
The shooting? I don't know.
This wasn't a random attack. They were shooting at you. But you don't seem to... We'll do our piece.
One of my questions is that a lot of us know about the shooting.
Started with this man.
Yes, not at all now.
You like the way being good makes you feel. But true good needs to come from a place.
Proves you're stealing valuables from this cold, dead corpse.
Yes, we have a few rats the time it's installed.
Are you accusing the client of murder?
No, but one.
Chloe Decor is the one I should be throwing knives at. Who knows what she's hiding?
Yes, she seems forcibly, if necessary.
That is unfortunate. I still don't understand why you need me.
Meal prep done. Meal prep done. Go ahead and put the items cooked in the fridge. So meal prep will be for tomorrow and maybe the day after, or we'll probably just eat all of it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the fridge, continue cleaning the house, and mop the living room area. Definitely, I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole house. I can't, it's late, yeah. I'm just gonna do the living room, you know, vacuum, mop it, and then I'll probably do the rest of the house after work tomorrow. Yeah. Well, I'll see you guys when I'm done cleaning up and probably calling it a night tonight. Yeah, I think I want to put the rug down for sure. The rug for the living room, I want to put it down. All right, so my mattress just got, the mattresses for the guest bedroom just got delivered, and I want to go ahead and just set it up. So this is a trundle bed that I have for when guests do come in. Obviously it's currently a twin size, but it opens up to a king or a double bed. And what I went ahead to do was I ordered the 2 mattresses that we need. Hopefully they fit well. I'm actually about to step out, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the pillows out, bring the mattresses in, open it and set it up. Actually the delivery was quite fast, so that because you know the mattresses have to kind of rise, so I'm gonna give them an opportunity to do that while I'm away. So you know, takes a couple hours before we go ahead and make the bed. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and drag that in. 2. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move these pillows out the way. It's gonna get up to like this level, so just needs a bunch of oxygen. It's already expanding, and it fits perfectly. Like it fits perfectly, like a perfect glove. I think I'm gonna open the other one in the living room or in the dining, just so I don't layer them on top of each other, so I could give it all the chance it needs to expand open. All right, I'll see you guys probably when I'm gonna set up the bedroom with all the good stuff. All right, see ya.